Hello from Scotland. I travel around 3000 miles from Toronto to visit this wee train station. A train station stands alone in the wilderness.
This is Crewe Station, situated in the Western Highlands of Scotland.
Isn't it strange? Like why a train station exists out of nowhere? Because owner of this estate has only one condition. That if railway company needed his land, then they have to build a train station here.
Even in this era of over tourism, it is still raw and untouched.
And this is me enjoying my solitude. I was happy.
Lot of people think that I'm crazy just because of the fact like I'm just visiting a train station in another country. But the people who actually knows me, they know this is who I am. But this is not about me. My inspiration behind visiting this train station, I wanted a sneak peek into this realm. Look at the surroundings. Isn't it look magical?
And if you ask me, like why I decided to visit a train station in another country, it's pretty simple actually. I had a strong feeling to spend few hours in this place. I wanted to feel that solitude. Maybe I wanted to feel raw nature, and I had good curiosity to see a train station away from crowd. As the train rumbled through the highlands, I could feel the anticipation building in my tummy. I was so much excited. I was excited to reach there as soon as possible.
Finally, I arrived at Crewe station. There are hardly two or three people.
And the first thing that struck me was this vast and untouched open landscape.
I guess Crewe station is not so famous. Maybe that's the beauty of it. It is about aura of this place. Crewe station is not for every traveler. Definitely not for the ones with aim for just number of stamps on their passport. This is for people who feel born with nature and rain and enjoy sound of wind and respect Mother Nature. The people who really cherish solitude. Scotland is mostly famous for Harry Potter movie and its locations. But as a Game of Thrones fan, well, till 5th season, if one can remember the background of locations, one could easily imagine a dragon flying over their head. It's just my imagination. Well, that's the beauty of human brain. It can imagine flying dragon over the train.
If you ever find yourself craving for a break from the modern world, remember Crewe Station. It is a true hidden gem in the heart of Scotland.
The air was crisp and pure, and silence was almost rare. It's the perfect setting for self reflection and inspiration. When I was hiking through the surrounding hills, I could totally feel the earth beneath my feet and wind over my face. As a nature lover, finding a place like this one is a dream come true. It is a reminder like travel is not about passport stamps, travel is not about destinations, and it's not about you. Sometimes it's totally about the place. It is about appreciation of nature and earth and the special feeling that a particular place can provide to you. Among the wilderness, Crewe Station looks like a solitary sentinel that can only accessible by train or a gruesome 20-mile walk from the nearest road. Crewe Station is also the highest railway station in Scotland. or maybe United Kingdom, but I'm not so sure. It is accessible by train operated by ScotRail or Caledonian Sleeper. Well, Caledonian Sleeper was expensive, so I took the ScotRail. It cost me around 20 quids per person. That time I spent at cruise station, my only desire was to put one foot in front of another and just walk. I craved to touch every corner of this place. I don't know the reason, but it was mesmerizing feeling just to be there. After the hike, I was hungry and little bit cold, and Karoo Station restaurant welcomed me with this charming and cozy atmosphere. I started with a cup of cappuccino and had humble soup with freshly baked bread. It was time to leave. I said my farewell to all the mountains. From Karur, my journey continues to Fort William by train. And from there, I took a bus from this cute train station to the land of giant and fire, the Isle of Skye. It was a scenic route through Highland. This is like my second or third video on the YouTube. Please support my work. I just started to document my travel. Please support my journey. Follow me for my further journey in the Scotland. Please subscribe my channel. And if you like my work, please like it or comment it.